Welcome to my apartment. Come on in. I'm super excited to be doing an apartment tour, but I'm even more excited to be partnering with SiriusXM for this tour. I'm going to be showing you how I listen to more and more of my favorite music on SiriusXM's app every day around my apartment. If you guys remember, I did a room tour last year, but I'm doing an apartment tour this year, and a few things have changed, so let's get started. I have my friend Hannah recording me, and I told her that if I'm ignoring anything, she can call me out. So I did do a deep clean of this apartment. There's some things that we just can't fix. I lived here last year. Start with the kitchen. The kitchen living room area is kind of like a studio space. So here's our fridge.
I'm doing a pan.
Guys, I can't show you our fridge.
No, show them. What's the thing that everyone does? Like, what's in my fridge? Okay, show them.
No, there's a cake in my thing.
Yeah, pizza.
But guys, look, I'm eating my fruits and veggies. Yeah, so let's keep going. These are amazing. This company.
What are they?
This.
Oh.
Let me tell you. This is called the Sunshine Series, and it's this amazing company that sells these reusable bags. So when you go grocery shopping, you don't have to use the plastic bags. You can throw all your produce in here.
Nice.
And it's actually really nice living in an apartment having these because we're all getting avocados, bananas, etc. So I know which ones are mine really easily by organizing them in here. So I really like those. Here's our pantry.
Snack.
This is my snacks. I did not organize this part, but we got the Late July. We got the Ollie Glowing Skin. Yeah, so let's talk music, shall we? So something I love about apartment living versus dorm, I mean, the list is endless, but I think my favorite thing is that I do have a kitchen and I'm able to cook. I always cook breakfast, and then usually I'll cook lunch and or dinner. And something that I have to do when I'm cooking is listen to music on SiriusXM. So I use my speaker, I just throw it on. It's really easy. And I want to share some of my favorite channels that I listen to. The Beatles channel is amazing. Who doesn't love the Beatles? And it's great to listen to when you're cooking. And then there's Farmhouse Cooking. So those are my favorite channels for the kitchen area. I think this is going to be a fun way for you guys to listen to what I'm listening to and find new music. You guys are always asking me about my music. So let's move on to the family room. Welcome. This is where we spend most of our time.
Okay.
This is where we spend most of our time together. This chair is really comfy, but the problem with it is it doesn't stop moving when you're sitting. Like, this just happens. Here's the couch. I think we fit 5 people on here before, which is actually a pretty good feat because it's not that big. But above the couch is probably my favorite piece in the entire apartment. This is by Vintage Barbie and Ken. He is so talented. He's based in New York City and always does pop-ups, but I got to pick this out and I just love it so much. We always have candles burning. For some reason, these candles smell so incredible.
Good.
And then this butterfly chair, I guess is what it's called. So comfortable. We're all really sad because it's ripping, but this is like, if we have a bunch of people over and you get this seat, you're the lucky one. So we have another speaker here. All of my roommates and I, of course, are obsessed with music and listening to music pretty much 24/7. If we're in the apartment, we have music going. So in the living room, we definitely have some favorite channels. One of my favorite channels is Pandora Now. They're just always playing good music. Something else that happens here is we always host tailgates, and even if we're not tailgating, which we probably are, we're listening to the game. There's actually a Syracuse University channel, which is really cool. And then there's a Barstool radio show, and then an ESPNU radio. So those are the ways that we can tune into the games and listen to the games when we're all just hanging out at our apartment. So let's go to my room. Before we go into my room, I want to show you this area. This is really cool. Alex's family has gone to Syracuse, so this has been passed down to her. So this is really special to us because this is a really cool vintage Syracuse piece. This is kind of our friend lost and found, so
Gabby.
We have some tried-out banners, a tiny, tiny belt, which must belong to Julianne. Here is our famous ticket wall. None of these are mine because I've never had my car at school. But yeah, this is our proud collection.
Ooh.
So Syracuse City loves us. Welcome to my room. This is one of my favorite places and I just love coming home to it. Can you guys hear the saxophone?
Yeah.
Marshall Street. Okay, so back here is my bathroom. So you guys can come on in, a very intimate look. Yeah, I would say I keep this pretty organized. I keep my hair stuff in here, so scrunchies. This is skincare. As you guys can see, I'm not like a freak about organizing it. I just like to make sure that it's at least organized by category. Yeah, so some amazing products in here. And if you guys want a look into, I really couldn't bring that many products to school. So these truly are some of my favorite products at the moment. And then down here, I just keep stock of extra stuff, my humidifier, heat tools.
Fun things.
And then, welcome to my salon. These are my shampoos. I'm very proud of my shampoo collection. And then here's the conditioners. You will see I have this in another part of my room, but I just think it's sick. So I showed you guys this trick last year, but because the closet is so much part of my room, it's not like a different section. I like to keep it covered in case it's getting messy. I didn't take time to organize this, so this is truly what it looks like. I have my dresses, my Hawaiian shirts. The fact that I actually have a section for that in my closet. And then color coordinated sweaters and sweatshirts. Jackets over here. This is gonna become a lot bigger once it starts to get colder. I have my workout clothes in this basket, going out tops in here. I find both of those are really hard to organize, so just getting a box to throw them in keeps it really nice and clean looking. Over here I have my jeans. Yeah.
Jeans.
Just have all my shoes down here, organized in no particular way. Oh, and then shoehorns, guys.
What?
You don't know what a shoehorn is? When you're trying to get your heel into shoes, you put this on your heel, and then it just slips right in.
I think my dad has that.
IKEA, yeah. I have all my shirts folded up because now I can just open this and I know exactly where my shirts are, so it makes getting ready really easy. I think there's a shirt stuck behind here and I can't
close it.
Bras and tank tops up here, pants, whatever. Here is where I keep my sunglasses collection. Probably a safer way to keep sunglasses and glasses, but that's where they live for now. Such an amazing organizer for jewelry. Here I keep all of my earrings on top, and then rings in this area. And then over here, this is where I keep my bracelets and everything. And then down here is where my necklaces are. So I find this is just a really great system to keep my jewelry untangled and organized. This is where I keep my perfumes. The Shawn Mendes perfume, Glossier.
That's Margot's signature scent.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh. This you guys saw last year. I absolutely love this thing. This is another piece that's gonna come with me for all my future homes and apartments. This is Society 6. This is where I keep my laundry, sweatpants, and then it's nice just to have a bag to throw your backpack into. Keeps it really organized. This is my bed. I love it so much. All these pillows. I just like to keep it really nice and simple in my bed area. I've never had this many pillows, but I'm kind of into it. Quickly, I'm going to show you my bedside table. This plastic is not mine, it's Hannah's.
It's mine.
This thing is amazing, got it on Amazon, and oh my god, it's just incredible. This is like my favorite part of my room. This is my box of bedtime things, and I take it very seriously, so I'll show you what's in here. I have 2 slip pillowcases that, ooh, this one's dusty. Sephora Collection gifted me. These are amazing. They're expensive, but totally worth the investment. Another Sephora Collection gift. They really have my bedtime routine covered. This is a BKR, and this is just a great water bottle. Guess what, guys? I've not purchased one plastic water bottle since being at school this year, so really proud of that. Other than that, this is lavender oil from Croatia that my cousin Sarah got me. It's really pungent, which I love. This is Hotel Emma Sleep Mist. I spray this on my pillows and it's really just smells amazing. I got my retainer. Wear your retainer, kids.
You just put it in the box?
I mean, I wash it before I put it. Okay, moving on. Let's go to my desk area. To my desk. A lot of stuff happens here. This is where I edit, I do my homework, I get ready for the night, and yeah, this is kind of where it all happens. I really love that I can listen to Sirius XM on my computer, so I'm just going to show you. It makes it really easy. I'm, again, always listening to music. If you guys have watched me for a while, you can probably guess that. But when I'm in my room, I really like to listen to music when I'm getting ready for a night out, doing my homework. I take this very seriously. So when I'm getting ready for the night, my favorite channel on Sirius XM is the Top Hits. They're just playing the music that you want to be listening to. Again, it's no fuss. Especially when I'm getting ready, I usually don't have that much time, so I just throw it on. Soul Cycle radio is amazing for when I'm getting ready for the day. I like to put that on more before class because it gets me like pumped up, amped up. When I'm studying, this might be weird, but might be saving you. The instrumental spa music is an amazing channel, and it's just really relaxing music that helps you focus and not get too overwhelmed. So those are my favorite channels to listen to in here. So this is the best candle that I've ever had. Anytime someone new comes to my apartment, I make them smell it.
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah, I've made you smell it, right?
Yeah.
It's Carzone. I'm definitely butchering that. But I got it in New York City, but the brand is French, and it's called Place des Vosges, which is a part of Paris. So that's a really special candle to me. Just did my nails with this. It's called Lighten the Mood.
Cute.
This is school supplies. All of these boxes are from IKEA, by the way. Lifesaver. If you guys are in an apartment, there's so many random things you don't realize you have. So just having boxes to throw everything in will make it look a lot nicer. As I showed you guys, I always have my Sirius XM playing, but I'm gonna show you the makeup behind that. I pretty much have the organization figured out. I have my lipsticks in here, I have my chapsticks in here, and then random things that don't fit. These are all my eye products, so eyeliner, mascara, stick eyeshadow, colored eyeliners, etc. Got some bronzers. This is all my skin products are in here. Brushes in here. As you guys can see, I really don't have that much space at school, so these are just the products that I use all the time. And then there's a bit of spillover over here. Right here, we have this new mirror. It's beautiful and it's so sturdy. I got it from Target, and it's the only non-distorted mirror in this apartment, so this is very important. Here I have my two prints that I love. These are from Society 6, but they're peeling up really badly, and I didn't fix them on purpose because I need your guys' advice. I had command strips on here, and then I took the command strips off and they peeled the paint off the wall. So I need a new system to put these down, or if you guys think I should just give up, but I do want your advice. So left that like that for that reason. Down here I have my textbooks and my books for my classes that I'm taking, and I just like to keep it all in here or else it gets scattered throughout my room and on my desk. Really exciting stuff in there. I hope you guys loved this video and seeing my apartment. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know, but I'm going to do my best to link everything in the description. Super excited to share Sirius XM's student deal with you. If you guys didn't know, it's only $4 a month, which is incredible. There's no interruptions, there's no ads, you can take it on the go, and as you guys can see, I use it all over my apartment. So really exciting stuff. If you want more details, I'm going to link that down below. But without further ado, I will see you in my next video.